This is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to share top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin, I would like to show how you can warm up the screen colors or make the interface less tiring on your eyes, and prevent the eye fatigue in general. So launch settings, go for the display category, and in here simply turn on the eye comfort shield. So as you can see, it tints the screen amber, and the description says that, it limits the blue light, just overall uses the warmer colors, which allows you, allegedly, to fall asleep easier or to prevent your eyes from being too tired after looking at the screen for the entire day. At the eye comfort shield option page, you can regulate the effect intensity by sliding this bar to the left or right, as well as set some automatic schedule for this feature to be enabled and disabled, automatically. The next on the agenda is how you can turn on the battery percentage over here and make it visible not only from the notification panel but at all times. So launch settings again, go for the notifications category, then advanced settings, and in here simply toggle on the show battery percentage switch. And as you can see, the battery percentage appears right next to the battery icon. The following tip that I have is how you can customize and personalize the interface of your device without, doing too much work and, changing the whole device feel and theme. Just, freshen up the feel. So launch settings, enter the wallpapers and style, and the option that I wanted to show is color palette and how you can change it. So here's the preview that allows you to see how the colors that you have went for will look like. You can also turn on or turn off the apply palette to app icons option. So choose whatever palette you like the most, or you can just set the basic colors for the people who love more minimalistic designs. And now everything in our interface will follow the color scheme that I've went for. Alrighty, the next cool feature is how you can, or the next cool tip rather, is how you can assign a certain action for the side power key double press. So I would assume that right now the double side power button press launches the camera, but if you want to reassign it to launch some other app, you can absolutely do that. Simply launch the settings app, then go for the advanced features, then side key, open app, and choose what app you would like to be launched. So let's say I'll go with settings. And now, once I'll double press the side power button, the settings app gets launched. So this way you can create shortcuts or quick launch actions for the apps that you very frequently use and can have a very convenient and quick way to access them. The fifth and final tip I have is the only performance-based tip. So basically the system on this device allows you to extend or increase the random access memory amount, which it does through allocating the exact amount of gigabytes from the internal storage of your phone and using them as so-called virtual random access memory, which basically allows you to do more things. If you put it simply, it allows you to do more things simultaneously without overstimulating, or not overstimulating, rather overusing the capabilities of your hardware. So you will be able to use more apps simultaneously without slowing your system down. So enough talking. In order to activate this feature, you will need to enter the battery and device care category of settings, then go for the memory section, and in here simply switch on the RAM Plus toggle. After that, you will need to reboot your phone in order for those changes to be applied, of course, and right after the restart, you'll have additional random access memory gigabytes. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. If you found this review or tutorial, however you can call it, however you want, if you found it helpful, do not forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So I guess thanks for watching, and bye bye.